Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the link works immediately. On Android, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging because the Mac needs permissions. This prevents permission prompts later. On the Mac, install Android File Transfer or a preferred third-party tool to browse files. Use a known good USB cable, USB-C or USB adapter, and plug in. When you see the trust prompt, tap Allow. Once done, the Mac should detect the phone and mount it for the next steps. Next, you choose wireless linking so you can move files and mirror notifications. If you prefer Bluetooth, pair the devices and confirm matching PINs. Bluetooth is simple but slower for large files. For richer features, install Samsung Flow, KDE Connect, or Air Droid on Android and the Companion on Mac, because these provide clipboard sync, notifications, and file transfer over Wi-Fi. Make sure both devices are on the same network and you grant the requested permissions. To finish, verify the connection by copying a small file and confirming notifications sync. This proves both file access and service presence. If the Mac doesn't see the phone, toggle USB mode on Android between charging and file transfer, restart the Android File Transfer app, or reconnect the cable because that often resolves handshakes. If things still fail, update the Mac Companion app and Android app, try a different cable or USB port, and reboot both devices. This single troubleshooting sequence solves most linking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.